Welcome back to the Simple Snip Code. My name is Rahul. In the previous video, we learned what is Python, why Python is so famous, why we learn Python. In this video, we see how to download and install the Python and Sublime text editor. Here, Python is an interpreter and Sublime is a IDE to write the Python code and execute the code. So, Python is an open source. You have to just go to the python.org to download the Python. So, here I am in the Chrome browser. You can open your favorite browser and just type Python and hit enter and go to the python.org. In a download section, we can click on Windows. There are currently two versions of Python are available, 3.8 and 2.7. Currently there are two stable versions of Python is available, the Python 2.7 and Python 3.8. All the new features will be added in the Python 3.8. Community has stopped the development in the Python 2.7. So only bug fixes and security updates will be updated in the Python version 2.7. But new feature will be added in the Python 3.8. All you have to just click on this link Python 3.8.5 and scroll down and click on this link executable installer. It will give you the installer, but in my case I have already downloaded this, that's why I am pause this. So in this video tutorial I am using Sublime Text. You can download Sublime Text from sublimetext.com and just open the Chrome browser and type Sublime 3 and hit enter. Click on this link. Once you open website, you can go to the download page and you get a web page something like that. Just click on Windows 64-bit and it will give you the installer. But in my case, I have already downloaded this. That's why I am pause this. So let's install the Python on this system. So double click on this Python installer. You can see the setup window. Before going ahead with setup window, one thing, click on this checkbox to add Python 3.8 to path. If you don't select this checkbox, then after installation you have to set the path manually. But once you click on this checkbox, Python is created automatically for you. Please don't miss out on this. Once you click here, you can install now. If you want to change the default path, you can go to the customization installation and you can install Python in different path. But in my case, I am click on this install now. Once installation is finished, you will get a setup for successful window and you can click on close. And once Python is installed, first step you to check whether Python is installed or not. Okay, for that you have to just type command and open this command prompt and just type Python space hyphen hyphen version and hit enter. And it will show you the Python version. If Python version number is displayed, it means Python is installed successfully. Otherwise, you may get error with then Python is not recognized or internal or external command. So reason for that we will be install Python, but path is not configured properly. So whenever you install any interpreter or compiler, you have to tell your system where you exactly installing your interpreter or Python. Okay, so for that you have to go to my computer, click on this computer and right click, go to properties, go to advanced system setting, then I am clicking on environment variables, click on this path and click on new. So here you have to copy paste the path where you have to install the Python. So just type Python Open file location and click on this Python 3.8. Right click and again open file location and copy this path. Click on new and paste here and click OK and OK. Path is set successfully. You can go in the command prompt and again type the python hyphen version and hit enter. The next thing, we will install Sublime Text Editor. Installing Sublime Text Editor is easy. Just double click on this installer and follow the instruction. Just go and double click on installer. Here I am going, here I save the installer. Just double click on Sublime Text and follow the instruction rule. Yes. Click on next. Yes. Next. Install. The Sublime Text Editor is installed successfully. Click on finish. Now everything is set. Just open your Sublime Text Editor and here type the Sublime and click on this open. Now you will get Windows something like that. Create a new file. So click on file, new file. And you have to save this. Save as. I am saving in the desktop. In the Raoul folder. For a Python file, the extension will be .py. While saving, make sure you will save it with extension .py. Here I am saving my file is first.py and click on this save. So I am writing the print function. In the print function, we will write welcome to this course. In Sublime, if you want to execute any program, you will save Ctrl plus S to save your program and Ctrl plus B to execute this program. So here is a shortcut key for save and run the program. For saving this program, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus S, and for run this program, you have to shortcut key is Ctrl plus B. So I'm saving this Ctrl plus S. After that, I'm clicking on Ctrl plus B. It will give you the output. Welcome to this course. You can also execute your program into the command prompt. I will show you how to execute the program in command prompt. Just open the command prompt. Here I am searching in the Windows search bar and just type the command prompt and open. After open, you have to go in the directory where you save the first.py file. Here I am going in the directory. Just type cd desktop. The cd is a Linux command. It means the change the directory. Just enter cd desktop and cd route. If you want to show the list of files are present in the current directory, just type dir command. Here is my file first.py. Now you have to execute the Python file. Just type python first.py and hit enter. It will give you the output. The output is welcome to this course. So here we end this tutorial. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Do give it like and let me know in comment section. See you guys in next video.